Welcome back to Stoic Serenity, where we continue our journey through the timeless wisdom of Stoic philosophy, set against the serene landscapes of Ninh Binh, Vietnam. Today's lesson is about the importance of making the words your own, inspired by the teachings of Seneca. Imagine this: an elderly man in a quiet village of Ninh Binh spends his days reading the wisdom of the ancients. But what sets him apart is not just his ability to read and understand these words, but how he lives them. Every action, every decision he makes is a reflection of the lessons he's internalized. He has taken the words of great philosophers and made them his own. Seneca, the Stoic philosopher, believed that what truly matters is not who said the words, but how they are lived. You can take the words of the great philosophers, tweak them, adapt them, and make them your own. But the true test of understanding is not in what you say, but in what you do. In the world of philosophy, originality is not found in the words themselves, but in the actions that follow. Marcus Aurelius, often criticized for his lack of originality, understood this well. He didn't seek to be original in his words, he sought to be original in his life, in how he applied the lessons he learned. Just as the elderly man in Ninh Binh lives the words he reads, so too can we. The words of great thinkers are not meant to be merely quoted, they are meant to be lived. Adapt them to your life, make them relevant to your experiences, and speak them through your actions. Think about the lessons you've learned in your life. Are they just words, or have you made them your own? Have you taken the wisdom of others and applied it in a way that resonates with your own experiences? The challenge for each of us is to live the philosophy we admire, to turn words into actions that reflect our true understanding. Now, take a moment to reflect: how can you make the words you speak truly your own? How can you live the lessons you've learned, adapting them to the real conditions of your life? Thank you for joining us on this journey of reflection. May the tranquility of Ninh Binh inspire you to live the words you admire, and to make them truly your own. We'll see you tomorrow for another day of Stoic wisdom and serene reflection. Now, as you listen to the soothing music, take a few minutes to write down your thoughts in the reflection template provided. Consider how you can bring the wisdom you've learned into your daily actions, making them truly your own.